It's just one of my new hacks. For some reason I've kept a load of odd socks that my kids no longer need, and I've been thinking of a use for them, and having just bought myself a new electric toothbrush. I've always been messy cleaning my teeth and they've always dribbled down my hand. So I thought I'd put my hand in down to the toes and my thumb in the heel part, and that way I can use the toothbrush and not get too messy. So here goes. Tiny bit of toothpaste on. Here we go. I would clean for longer. You can tell I've still got toothpaste in, but what it does, it stops it all dribbling down. You can actually use the back of the sock to wipe your lips off and wipe down the toothbrush, and also the surface that you're going to put it on when you finish with it, and do a wipe around. And then all I do is I put this used sock into my laundry bin. There we go. I've got some other uses for old socks, so I'll be doing some more videos. Thank you.